Hi, welcome back to tutorial on BizRun 2. Now, in this section, I'm going to take us through the service invoice. Now, the service invoice is a mini kind of invoice that is really not issued out to customers. It's just used to capture services rendered to clients, and it's one of the newest module we just completed now. And as you can see, I've not really done any tests on it on this demo platform. I've only been testing it offline. So you and I will do the first test run now. And here it is. It's absolutely responsive. So, but from the table you can see here, you see your total invoices issued, full payment made to you, part payment made, no payment made, and total revenue, right? So to issue, to record a service, you either use this button here, or you come to the menu here and use add service, right? So let me use this one. Okay, now I've opened the add new service. If maybe the service you rendered is not maybe the customer is new and you don't have his or her data, you can use the add new customer model here to do that. Just click on it and then it's open this page. You add the customer name. But if the customer is already existing, all you need to do is select the customer detail here. So in this case, let me select Angela. Okay, the system will generate invoice number for you. You enter the date, the service rendered. Okay, so just say this is a sample. This is a sample. There's no P there. This is a sample service. Then you must have added your the services you offer. Okay, now I will show you how to do that, and then the cost for the service you provided, right? You see that as you enter this cost and the quantity, the system automatically maybe 5 different of this, so the system has automatically calculated the total for you. Now, as usual again, peradventure you offered more than one service to the client, you can as well use add new row to add the second service. And if there are more than 2, I just, depending on the total number of services you rendered, you use add new, but in this case I'm just using 1, so I use it to delete. And then you enter remark, remark for the service, maybe a person is owing you or whatever, just enter remark there. And then if the payment was full, you select full. If no payment at all, you select no payment. If it was made part, you select part. Now, if no payment, certainly here will be no payment made, but since you selected part payment, you can as well say, define the how the payment was made. Is it through cash or card or bank transfer or whatever? So in this case, I select card, right? And then I save. Is it pointing at something? Is that something I didn't select here? Okay, I didn't select the service type, right? Okay. So I'll save. Say invoice saved successfully. Don't mind, it's because you are using mobile here. It shows invoice saved successfully. As you can see, so far I've issued 1 invoice and no full payment here, part payment, right? So if I want to make an amendment to this invoice, I come here, select whatever I want to do. Okay, and you can also actually download a PDF of this invoice, But like I said, it's not like the other one that has a logo, which of course I'm going to go. I'll see now as a progress. This is specifically for internal usage, right? The invoice number, your company detail, your customer detail, the transaction detail or service detail, the summary payment, and then the rest. If you want to edit, you click on edit invoice. If you want to print it, you click print. If you want to download, download. Okay. If you want to go back, you click on back to invoice. So it brings it back here, right? So quite simple. This is how the service invoice works. Okay. I hope it's interesting and it builds up. Now the summary of all your entries can also be seen on the main dashboard, but with this I'm sure you will know all your entries, right? Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, which of course has to do with the invoice module. Thank you.